Hello everyone. In the first place, I would like to thank you for your watching and subscription to our channel. But in this video, I want to show you how to use ChatGPT. First, let's go to the OpenAI website, who are the developers of the ChatGPT. To go to the website, you simply go to your Google or search engine and type in ChatGPT. From there, you go to the OpenAI website, where then you try ChatGPT, and here you can sign up, but since I already have an account with ChatGPT, they have already loaded it there. But to sign up, let me log out, then I show you how you can create an account with ChatGPT. You come, the other website will, when you click on try ChatGPT, they will bring you to this website. Then you go to sign up. Here you will need only your email address and a password. For example, let me put in my email address, then I continue, then I put a password. Good. Then I continue. Then we'll have to wait for our sign up details to be sent to the OpenAI platform. Then we go and we check our email so that we can verify. You see, they have sent me an email. Then I have to verify email address. But who are those people that should use ChatGPT? Are you a content creator? Just know you can use ChatGPT if you're a blogger, YouTuber, and a podcaster to generate ideas for your new content, improve your writing skills, plus providing engaging content. Are you a customer service team? ChatGPT can be used to automate customer support by answering frequently asked questions and provide personalized responses. Marketers can also use ChatGPT. So we are given the details where we should put our first name and blah blah blah, but I will simply write that down. Then I have to select a phone number, which is 256. Let me use this one, 755 36 2020. Good. So then they will send me the code to my phone, and I will have to enter the code. Now here's the code. The code has just arrived, so I have to verify my account by entering the code. The code is 606573. Good. So after authorizing my my contact or phone number, they will bring me to this window. Now here, this is where we interact with the AI. You can ask any question you feel like. You can ask any question you feel like you want to ask this AI. Let's assume I'm a content creator, and yes I am. How do I use ChatGPT? Simple. I will give ChatGPT a topic. For example, I want to create a content about how to make money online, like our previous videos that we've been having, and I want ChatGPT to generate a script for me to follow. Yes, let's see how this works. I will say, can you generate a script for my video about how to make money online? Good. Then you press enter, and again, so it will generate the text that you could add to your script so that you can have an engaging video. So it shows you an introduction here. I think you can see that, eh? So this gives me a feel of what exactly I'm going to be talking about. Like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share you some ways to make money online, where you are looking to supplement your income or make full-time living. There are plenty of opportunities out there to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Then I go to method 2, just like that, and it's like you're having an engaging video. I think you can see that it's now generating us a script. Method 1 is freelancing, then it explains freelancing, but this is just a mere script. Supposing you are a developer, how could you really use ChatGPT to create a website? Okay, developers, for example, have very many programming languages you can specify, or you can say, can you, for example, you can say, can you generate for me a Python, no, okay, a Python script for creating a website, just like that, and then you press enter. So sometimes ChatGPT has got a tendency of showing something went wrong, so you simply refresh and then it will come back again. Okay, so we will write again, can you give me some sample code of creating a website, just like that. Then it's like you are talking to a human being, so it will give you the sample code, then you go ahead and edit this code. This is how you can use ChatGPT as a developer. Sometimes developers develop APIs, so you can also tell it to create for you an API. Can you create for me an API? So it will have to create for you a Python using a framework of Django to create for you an API. So here is the code, so you simply copy and paste, then you make some few modifications. If at all you are not sure of what exactly you have to modify, you can also ask it. Okay, yeah. More videos on how to make money online. Remember, we have more and more videos on our channel, so don't forget to check them out so that you can learn on how to make money. Don't forget to subscribe and liking our buttons, plus clicking that notification button. So how could you use ChatGPT as a researcher? For example, actually sometime back, I used ChatGPT to generate for me a full legit business plan. and it did all the research. How did I do it? For example, I came and said, hello ChatGPT, like as if you are talking to someone who is going to do you some work. Hello ChatGPT. Okay, let me give you just a sample. I'm thinking of a business, yeah, of starting up a an equity, actually a private equity company. Oh, you get, eh? But can you write for me a business plan? Good. Then, of course, however, it's important to note that writing a comprehensive business plan of a private equity can be a complex process that requires careful analysis to the industry, what and what. So it will give you the executive summary, it will give you the market analysis, it will give you the company overview, it will give you the investment strategy. So it's like it's writing for us the business plan. It will give you the financial projections. So in the first phase, it is giving you actually the basic things that you need to be included in your business plan. So you can dig deep by asking it that particular topic. For example, you can tell it to elaborate. Can tell it to elaborate more about the executive summary. Sometimes when you see that it has not understood you properly, you have to make it very, very clear, as if you are talking to someone. Sometimes people ask us things that we also do not, actually we fail to understand the question. So you can repeat the question but paraphrased. Okay. So the same applies to ChatGPT. So I think you can see that now it has given us the executive summary, it has given us the market analysis. Sometimes actually it's even better if at all you ask for it, for the table of content. Okay, then you go topic, actually topic by topic, asking for details on the topic, asking for the details on the topic by topic to get clear results. Okay. Can you give me some of the can you give me some of the actually can you give me the table of content of my business plan? Then it will outline the business plan. It will give you the executive summary, overview of the investment firm, market analysis, investment strategy, fundraising, exit strategy, management team and staffing, financial projections, risk and mitigation strategies, appendix, and blah 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 and blah blah. Now you can go ahead and dig deep and deeper into the executive summary. Let's look at the executive summary given to us. In case of a private, the executive summary should provide a high-level overview of your investment strategy, target, what and what. Okay, it's okay. Now, what we are going to do is that we are going to tell it, can you give me a sample? Okay, can you give me a sample of an executive summary? Good. So we have to scroll down, we see what are the results. So as it loads, don't forget to check the don't you forget to check our previous videos on how to make money online, and more videos are coming, more tricks are going to be solved. Well, good. Now our ChatGPT has just generated a good executive summary. Is a private equity firm that focuses on investing in high growth companies. Whenever you see these square brackets, just know you have to put in your personal details. Our investment strategy is centered around acquiring companies with strong growth, what and what you get. So that's a sample. So you can go ahead and dig deeper and deeper, asking for the market analysis, investment strategy sample, fundraising strategy sample, management team staffing sample, and so on and so forth. So that's how actually you can use ChatGPT, and that's how you can use ChatGPT to generate text, as if you're generating text from an advisor with all that knowledge. Still, that's all what you can do with ChatGPT. And allow me at this point to thank you for watching our video, and to thank you, not forget, I kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel for more and more videos. Thank you.